Hello students, welcome back to online teaching eSuvidya. In the previous class we have started the topic air pollution, a hidden menace. As you know, the air pollution is a great threat in modern society, not for our country but for the whole world. And we also came to know the most tragic industrial accident which took place in our country, in a state. Do you remember? What is the most industrial tragic accident as long as it happened? The Bhopal industrial accident. Yes. When did it occur? In 1984, December 3rd. Yes. So now we will continue and we will read and discuss the second and third paragraph. Then look at your book and follow me. A man can live without food for a month, without water for 2 or 3 days. He cannot live without breathing even for a moment. It is estimated that an average adult exchanges 15 kg of air a day in comparison to about 1.5 kg of food consumed and 2.5 kg of water intake. It is obvious that the quantum of pollutants that enter our body through respiration would be manifold in comparison to those taken in through polluted water or contaminated food. Now students, look at the paragraph. Here the description is given about the importance of air. Importance of air for human being. We know the basic need of a human being is food, clothing and shelter. We take food every day, we drink water and we also breathe air in. So water is important, food is important and air is also important. But without food and water we can survive for some days. But without air we cannot survive even for a minute. So that is described here in this paragraph. A man can live without food for a month, without food for a month, without water for 2 or 3 days. That means water is more important than food. You know, water is life. Jala hi jibana. Khadya bina ame kiछि dina banchi pariba. गांधीजी जो अनशन करते 21 दिन बिना खाद्य बंची थे किंतु पानी पीउथिले. सो वाटर इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट दैन फूड बट ही कैन नॉट लिव विदाउट ब्रीदिंग इवन फॉर ए मिनिट. सो विदाउट ब्रीदिंग दैट मीन्स विदाउट एयर, विदाउट रेस्पिरेशन वी कैन नॉट लिव फॉर ए मिनिट, फॉर ए मोमेंट. इट इज एस्टिमेटेड दैट it is estimated, calculated what is the estimated cost of your building. That means calculated. It is estimated that an average adult, so this requirement, this importance of air is given for an adult, not for a child or but for a, not for a, neither for a child nor for an old man but for an adult man. So average adult exchange 15 kg of air. 15 kg in comparison to 1.5 kg of food and 2.5 kg of water. So every day an adult takes average 2.5 kg means 5 liters of water, 1.5 kg of food, but he or she exchanges 15 kg of air. That means we breathe in and we breathe out. We breathe in oxygen and we breathe out carbon dioxide. So exchange of air is 15 kg per day. So now you can imagine, now you can think, you can guess which is the most important factor for our survival. Definitely air. So do you want we will live with the polluted air, or we will try to make the air pollution free or pure? And if we will try, if we will see, we want to see a world free of pollution, free of polluted air, then is it possible? So we will know in subsequent classes. Now these are the requirements of an average adult. So it is obvious that, it is obvious, it is clear, it is transparent, spashta. It is obvious that the quantum of pollutants, quantity, pollutant, the substance which makes anything polluted. Pollute is also another word. Pollute. Pollute is verb. प्रदूषित करिबा, दूषित करिबा, polluted adjective. Pollute, polluted, polluted. Third form is polluted, and it is also used as an adjective. Pollution. This is noun. So here air pollution. So it is obvious that the quantum of pollutants, the things which make the air polluted, its quantity that enter our body through respiration, swasakriya, breathe in, breathe out, could be manifold, many different kinds. The problems of air pollution is manifold. So it is clear that the quantity of pollutant we are breathing in with air, the pollutants are also entering our body. So the quantity of pollutants we are taking are manifold, are of different kinds, are of serious kinds. It will create serious threats, serious problems to us, to our body, in comparison to the polluted water and contaminated food. Contaminated. Impure, not pure. So contaminated and polluted, same thing. Polluted is used before air, polluted is used before water, but contaminated is used before food. प्रदूषित खाद्य, प्रदूषित पानी, प्रदूषित वायु, किंतु फूड पूर्वर लगुच contaminated. So in comparison to water and food. Air is accompanied with more pollutants which are entering our body through respiration. Then come to third paragraph. So in third paragraph we will see air is a mixture of gases comprising 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen and a little less than 1% argon, together with 0.03% carbon dioxide. These elements make up 99.9% of dry air. As long as this composition is maintained, the air is pure. If this composition is altered, the oxygen level gets reduced or irritating gases enter the atmosphere. Then the air is said to be polluted, and inhalation of this polluted air can lead to respiratory disorder. So students, in this paragraph, the components of air. In previous paragraph we came to know the importance of air. Here the components or the constituents of air. What are the composition of a pure air? We all know air is a mixture because a number of gases are mixed in air. So air is a mixture of gases. What are the ingredients? What are the components? What are the compositions? What are the composition of dry air or pure air? 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and little less than 1% argon. 1% जोड़ा रहिला 78 21 हला 99% आ 1% जोड़ा रहिला सेथिरे बाकी सबु रहिला आर्गन, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड and other gases. So gas is a mixture or air is a mixture. These elements make up 99% of dry air. So when all these components are intact, then we can call the air pure air or dry air. That is not impure, that is not polluted, that is pure air. As long as this composition is maintained, because as long this composition 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen and 1% argon and carbon dioxide is maintained, then we can call the air pure air. If this composition is altered, altered means changed. If this composition, once this composition gets changed, what will happen? The air is said to be polluted. How will it change? Either the oxygen level gets reduced or other irritating gases enter the atmosphere. That means when the composition will change, if the oxygen level gets reduced, that means oxygen level decreases from 21%, it becomes less, or other irritating gases, poisonous gases like argon, carbon dioxide, other gases, if their percentage increases, then the air is said to be polluted air. And inhalation of this polluted air can lead to respiratory disorder. So we breathe in air through respiration. So if the polluted air will cause any damage, at first it will cause damage in our respiratory tract or respiratory system. So the respiratory tract or respiratory system will be adversely affected by polluted air. So in this paragraph we came to know about the components of air and what is dry air or pure air and what is polluted air. In the next classes we will know more about the air pollution. Thank you all.